أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Last class we have finished with genders of the noun. So today we will be dealing with the numbers of nouns. In English we have singular or plurals. Okay. In English we have got singular or plural. Plural means greater than one. In Arabic we have singular, dual and plural. Plural means greater than two here in Arabic. Singular nouns in Arabic is known as mufrad. Singular nouns in Arabic is known as mufrad. Dual nouns is known as musanna. Okay, the dual nouns are known as musanna. Example: a singular noun rasulun. Rasulun means a single messenger. Rasulun means a single messenger. Dual nouns. So how to make a singular noun into a dual noun? That is, add the last letter fatha, that is the zabar, and alif noon with a kasra. For example, you can see rasulun. In this rasulun, just remove the tanween and add fatha to it, that is zabar. Then add alif noon with a kasra, that is rasulani. Rasulani means two messenger. So it is a dual noun. So how the transition takes place here? Rasulun, that is, you can see tanween at the end. It is a mufrad, it is a singular noun. Then here remove the tanween and then add fatha to it. Then after adding fatha, then add alif noon with a kasra. So rasulani. So initially it was rasulun, then rasula, that is remove the tanween, add fatha to it, then add alif noon with a kasra, that is rasulani. Rasulani is musanna, that is it is a dual noun. So it means two messengers. Rasulun means it is a single messenger. Rasulani means two messengers. Now coming to kitabun. Kitabun, it is a single book. Okay, remove the tanween and add zabar to it, that is the fatha you add, then add alif noon with a kasra, that is kitabani, that is two books. Kitabun means a single book, kitabani means two books. Similarly, here you can see jannatun. So here a feminine noun with a closed ta. The closed ta is opened, open ta, and alif noon is added. So here jannatun, it is a feminine noun. So here jannatun means it is a single garden. So jannatun, you can see the closed ta at the end. So this closed ta, the tanween is removed. So jannata. Then alif noon is added. So this closed ta is opened here and alif noon is added here. So jannatani, that is two gardens. Jannatun means a single garden. Jannatani means two gardens. So here a feminine noun with a closed ta is opened and alif noon is added. Okay, a feminine noun with a closed ta is opened and alif noon is added. Okay, so jannatun means it is a singular noun. Jannatani means it is two gardens. The plural nouns in Arabic is known as jamun. The plural nouns in Arabic is known as jamun. There are two types of plurals: regular plurals and irregular plurals. Okay, regular plurals and irregular plurals. Regular plurals, they follow a fixed pattern, and these regular plurals are known as al-jam'us salim. Okay, al-jam'us salim. Now these regular plurals based on gender, it is divided into two types, that is masculine and feminine. Masculine plurals and feminine plurals. So masculine plurals which follow a fixed pattern are known as jamul muzakkar salim. Okay, the masculine plurals which follow a fixed pattern are known as jamul muzakkar salim. Then how to make a singular noun into a plural? Okay, here a rule is that the last letter is there, you add dhamma to it, then add una, waw with a sukoon and noon with a fatha. So example, muslimun is there. Muslimun is a mufrad, that is it is a singular noun, that is it means a Muslim. So for this muslimun, you remove the tanween, add a dhamma, that is muslimu, then add una to it, waw noon with a fatha, then muslimuna. So it is the plural. So it is following a fixed pattern, that is you are removing the tanween, adding dhamma and then adding waw noon. So it is muslimuna. Muslimuna means Muslims. Okay, so a singular Muslim is made plural by adding waw noon. Okay, similarly here mu'minun. Mu'minun means a believer. So mu'minun means you remove the tanween, add dhamma to it at the last letter, then add una at the last. So it is muslimuna. Muslimuna means believers. Mu'minuna. Mu'minuna means believers. Mu'minun means a believer. Mu'minuna means believers. Note here, a masculine noun is converted to a feminine noun by adding closed ta, that is ta marbuta at the end. That is Muslimun is there. It is a masculine Muslim. Okay, masculine Muslim. Then how to make it is a feminine Muslim? That is Muslimatun. That is adding the closed ta at the end. So first it was Muslimun. Then remove the at the tanween and add fatha to it at the last meme and add the closed ta at the end and add tanween. So Muslimun means it is a masculine Muslim and Muslimatun means it is a feminine Muslim. So not every noun is made feminine by adding a closed ta. Okay, not every noun is made feminine by adding a closed ta. For example, if we take here khalamun. Khalamun is by default it is a masculine noun. You can't make a masculine noun into a feminine by adding a closed ta. As a rule we have just here read here, that is Muslimun is changed to Muslimatun by adding a closed ta. But here khalamun means a pen, it is a masculine and you can't make it is a feminine pen by adding closed ta. So it is a wrong thing. So khalamun is a masculine, it is always khalamun only. You can't add a closed ta at the end. Similarly ayatun is there. Ayatun means it is a feminine. Okay, ayatun is feminine. You can't remove the closed ta and make it as a masculine. So ayatun is by default it is feminine. You can't make it masculine by removing the closed ta. Now coming to feminine plurals. So feminine plurals which are regular. So these are known as Jamul Muannas Salim. Okay, Jamul Muannas Salim. Salim means they follow a regular pattern. Okay, so here the closed ta is removed. Then how to make a feminine plural? So the closed ta is removed and add alif ta with a tanween is added at the end. That is Muslimatun was there. Muslimatun means a single Muslim, feminine. So this closed ta, entire closed ta is removed along with the tanween. Then add fatha to it at the last letter. Okay, closed ta is removed. Then it is Muslima. Then add atun. That is alif ta with a tanween. So it will become Muslimatun. Okay, so it was Muslimatun. Then remove the closed ta here. It will become Muslima. Then you add atun at the end. That is it is Muslimatun. That is it is plural of feminine Muslims. Okay, so it is a singular feminine Muslim. It is a plural of Muslims. Okay, feminine. Similarly here mu'minun was there. Mu'minun is made to feminine by adding closed ta. That is mu'minatun. So now how to make a single believer, feminine believer into a believers, that is feminine believers. So by removing the closed ta, after removing the closed ta you will get mu'mina. Then after mu'mina add atun at the end. So mu'minatun. So it is feminine believers. Okay, these are feminine believers. Now coming to irregular plurals. Irregular plurals, they do not follow a fixed pattern. What it means, like in the regular plurals they are following a fixed pattern. That is at the end you are adding una and making it plural. In feminine you are adding atun at the end and making it plural. But here they do not follow a fixed pattern here. So these plurals are known as Jamul Mukassar. Okay, these irregular plurals are known as Jamul Mukassar. Examples for Jamul Mukassar are Nahrun. Okay, Nahrun. You can't make una at the end. You can't add una at the end and make Nahruna. Okay, it is Nahrun means a river. Nahrun plural of it is Anharun. Okay, Anharun. Nahrun plural is Anharun. That is rivers. Okay, you can't make waw add at the end and make it plural. So it do not follow a fixed pattern. Similarly, Rasulun is there. Okay, Rasulun you can't make it plural by adding una at the end like Rasuluna. It is a wrong thing. The correct way is Rusulun. Okay, the correct way is Rusulun. Rasulun means a messenger. Rusulun means messengers. Let us see some examples of the Jamul Mukassar which do not follow a fixed pattern. Like Sahirun is there. It is Sahratun. Okay, Sahirun, Sahratun. Kafirun, Kafaratun. Gulamun is there. Ghilmatun. Okay, Gulamun is there. Ghilmatun. Khalamun is there, akhlamun. Okay, khalamun is there, akhlamun. You can see khalbun is there. Okay, khalbun is there, khulubun. Okay, khalbun means a single heart, khulubun. Faqirun is there. Okay, fuqara, faqirun, fuqara. Now you can see rasulun, rusulun. Inshallah, tomorrow we will see some more examples of Jamul Mukassar and we'll go through the examples from the Quran. Inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.